Sunod ng Angry Birds Friends. Ito. Kay ano, Evan.
Sige, Evan tayo, di ba?
Uy, friend ko kaya si Evan. Friend ko.
Alaska! Sa akin, Hot Wheels.
Akin rin.
Si Evan! Mama, si Evan!
And we couldn't end the year without an Angry Birds video, so we have the Angry Birds Transformers Jenga.
Yun, wag mo yan. Kendo ka lang yun.
Gusto. Opo. Gusto ko bilhin yung toy. Gusto ko bilhin yung toy.
Ako rin.
Ang ganda.
Wala.
Dapat yun.
Ayun na yan. Dito, dapat wag lalagpas.
Mama.
Oh!
Ako yan sa Optimus Prime Bird. Ikaw, akin.
Ito yung pig.
Gabat yun.
Oh,
Oy, Beard destroyed and win. Ang galing ni Evan Talagog.
Alright, I'll start off by showing you guys the figures. And first up, we have Optimus Prime.
Oy, ako si Optimus Prime Bird, di ba?
There's some cool
Ako yung baboy.
and there's flames on the side.
Ah! Totoo yun eh.
That connects to a launcher. It has some wings on the back that you can snap in and out.
May sister si Evan.
Wala.
Truck form, maybe
Si Jillian.
Ay, si Gilly tsaka si Evan may...
Hala, natanggal.
we have Galvatron Kid.
Gabat one pig. Ako yan.
His truck is a
Ikaw last.
Optimus. In the movie,
Kuya, so di ba tayong dalawa lang? Wala si Chuck, si Bumblebee,
Tsaka si Travis.
the sign like this.
si Travis, si Chuck, di ba?
More pigs, we get Starscream Pig and Decepticon
Si Travis yung baboy. Tsaka si Kuya AC.
Finger's supposed to be a car. Here,
At tawan natin, di ba? Sabi natin, boom, boom, yay, pinanalo tayo.
Sana manalo tayo.
next up, we have
Gawin mo, Evan. Galingan mo.
Grimlock.
Oh, Winlock!
Legs. We also have the body frame.
Ala.
We have a bag of...
Black!
Black.
Okay, I'll go in just a second. But first,
In second,
don't
that's
forget
it.
the ramp. And we also
Black! Black!
the launcher. First, we have to push the
Like that?
ramp down.
Tingnan mo.
And the slingshot.
Oh, ang galing!
You also get the instructions and the app.
Oh, ako. Oh!
Head over to MC Gaming. Okay? And now let's
Yun na,
put
yun na,
the
yun na.
lock together.
Susunod,
Ang
panoorin.
galing!
Susunod ulit yun, panoorin natin si Evan ulit.
Tingnan mo, ang galing ni Evan, ang bilis. Fast forward.
Opo.
Bakit fast forward si Evan? Ang bilis talaga.
Hala.
Hala, magtatalo. Sana manalo tayo. Oo na, talo natin si Greenlock.
And now it's
Diba?
time to destroy him. Go! Send in Optimus.
Ako una, boom! Ang galing ko.
Right side. Now send in Galvatron.
Kaya mo?
Go, go,
Yan! Ang galing natin, diba?
go!
Oh, ang galing.
Ang galing.
Sabi ko, oh!
Ramp away to get the feet.
Oh! Ang galing ka! Ang galing ka din.
Decepticon Pig.
Boog!
Ang galing ka.
Boog! Ang galing ko. Ang galing natin.
Prime attack.
Next naman si Evan ulit.
Video, and we'll see you guys next time.
Iba na,
Bye.
iba na.
On a video to see if we're
Ayun na, ayun na.